All right, let's look at this example. It says 5x squared plus 9x minus 2 equals 0. We still use the completing the square method. The first thing is reduce the coefficient of x squared to 1. This is 5x squared divided by 5. Divide all through by 5. So this becomes x squared plus 9 over 5x minus 2 over 5 equals 0. Take the constant here, negative 2 over 5, to this other side by adding 2 over 5 to it. So this becomes x squared plus 9 over 5x equals to 2 over 5. We add 2 over 5 to both sides. So from here, completing the square method says that we should half the coefficient of x. In other words, that's multiplied by 1 over 2. So when we multiply the coefficient of x here, not x squared, coefficient of x here, you can put in your corner of your book, 9 over 5, half it. That's multiplied by 1 over 2. So 9 times 1 is 9. 5 times 2 is 10. So the half of this, 9 over 5, is 9 over 10. So it says, after we have halved it, square it. Raised to the power of 2. Add it to both sides of the equation. So this becomes x squared plus 9 over 5x plus, this is 9 over 10 all squared equals to 2 over 5 plus 9 over 10 all squared. Now the next thing to do, this becomes x plus 9 over 10 all squared equals to 2 over 5 plus 9 squared is 81. 81 over 10 squared is 100 over 100. Make this an equivalent fraction that has 100. That's 5 times 20. So this becomes 40 over 100 plus 81 over 100. This becomes, we still have our x plus 9 over 10 all square. So this becomes this 1 to 1. So that's x plus 9 over 10 all square equals to 81 plus 40. That's 121. 1 to 1 over 100. Now let's take the square root of both sides. So this becomes x plus 9 over 10 equals to the root of plus or minus 1 to 1 over 100. The square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 100 is 10. So that's plus or minus 11 over 10. X plus 9 over 10. So from here, take this 9 over 10 away from here. Subtract both sides by 9 over 10. So this becomes x is equals to negative 9 over 10 plus or minus 11 over 10. That means our x is equals to negative 9 plus 11 over 10, or x is equals to negative 9 minus 11 over 10. This one will give us this 11 minus 9, that's 2. That's 2 over 10, which will give us 1 over 5. This one is negative 20. Negative 20 over 10, which is equals to what? Negative 2. So therefore our x is equals to negative 2, or 1 over 5.